Got these under the cabinet lights from the company for an honest review. I wanted to show you guys its motion detection. So if you put your hand under the sensor, it will turn off. If you put it under the sensor again and then hold it, it will dim the light and turn it off, on again, and hold it, and we'll go back to light, the brightest that you have set up. So this is how the lights look when I have my lights on. It helps out with darker areas in my kitchen and my countertops. And I gotta say, honestly, I am loving it. This is my second house that I have under cabinet lights, and I'm really happy. I feel like this is a great size. It's 18-inch long, so it gives you enough area to light up. They provide you screws. You can remove these little covers here, and you can screw them for under your cabinet, but I'm using double-sided adhesive tape. I do not want to make any holes, so this works very well as well. Showing you different lights that you can get. This more yellow, more natural. This one's more brighter, more colder. So whatever tone of light works for you is what you're gonna set up. And it is plug in, and this is where the sensor is, right there. And it dims and goes back up. Another thing why I'm gonna be using these is I have some lights on my ceiling, but they're not enough, especially for this section when I'm baking or something like that, or cooking or cutting some things up. I don't feel like I have enough light. So even in the daylight, I'm gonna be using these to give me more light.